Population studies. Introduction to population studies. Population is important concept in sociology. Theories of population explain about population growth and their effects. Health status of society is influenced by population. In nursing concern, the study of population is used to superior care give to community and society. Can you define population? The total number of inhabitants living in particular geographical area is called population. The scientific study of human population is called demography. Can you define demography? Narrow view. Demography is the study of the size, territorial distribution, composition of population, change therein, and the composition of such change which may be identified as fertility, mortality, morbidity, territorial movement, migration, and social mobility, change of status. Broad view. Demography is the scientific study of human population, their size, their structure, and their development. Next section, society and population. First, to study the structure and characteristics of society is an important aspect of study of population. Second, the study of composition of population covers basic social and economic characteristics or attributes of any society. Third, demographic data used to development of society. Fourth, population trends depends upon social characteristic. Fifth, the population study necessary to maintain balance between various social systems. Third section, uses of study of population. First, to study the composition of population. Second, to preparation of inventories of human resources in society. Third, effective development planning. Fourth, utilize the data on the age sex distribution. Fifth, to study the social economic structure. Sixth one, to know sex ratio. Seventh, density of population. Eighth, family size. Ninth, dependency ratio. 10th, life expectancy. The detail going on. What is meant by sex ratio? The female per 1000 male. In India, sex ratio 930 female per 1000 males according to 2001 census. Density of population. The total number of persons living in square kilometers. In India, 324 per square kilometer. Family size. Total number of persons in a family. In India, 3:1. Dependency ratio. The proportion of person above 65 years and children below 15 years of age who are depends on the economically productive age group. Life expectancy. The average number of years who a person that age may expected to live. In India, 64 males, 68 females, according to 2014. Census of India responsible to take census for every 10 years. Next section, world population trend. At the beginning of Christian era, world population was estimated to be around 250 billion. In 1980, 4,432 billion. In 1991, 5,385 billion. In 2000, 6,054 billion. So this data shows that every 10 years, 1,000 billion population has been increased in the world. Look at this graph. World population growth, world population development. Blue in color, developing countries. Yellow in color, industrialized countries. After 1950, population has been explored. The reason is that the United Nations was established. There is no war between nations. Maintain peace throughout the world. Next factor is that was establishment of World Health Organization. It's aimed to eradicate communicable diseases. That's why population have been explored. Look at this map. Population growth in the world. Next section, population distribution in India. Population growth in India. India, second most populated country, next to China. Population in India, according to 1981 census, 683.3 million. 1991, 843.9 million. 2001 census, 127 million. Only 2.4% of world land area and supporting about 16.87% of world population. Look at this map. Percentage of growth of population. 1991, 2001. In white in color, below 18.00%. Yellow, 19.01 to 21. So this is a data. South India having less population growth and North India over population growth. Due to various reasons, main factor is that education. Ranking of most populous states according to 2001 census. First, Uttar Pradesh, 166.05 million. Second, Maharashtra, 96.75 million. Third, Bihar, 82.67 million. 4, West Bengal, 80.22 million. 5, Andhra Pradesh, 75.72 million. 6, Tamil Nadu, 62.11 million. Current population in India 2011, 1.21 billion population. Total male population in India 623.7 million. Total female population 586.5 million. Sex ratio 914 female per 1000 males. Age structure 0 to 25 years, 50% of India's current population. Current population, there are about 51 births in India in a minute. India represents almost 17.31% of population. The population growth rate at 1.58%. About 72.2% of population lives in some 638,000 villages. The rest 27.8%, about 5,480 towns and urban. Fertility rate is 2.72 children born per woman. In state of Kerala, with 1058 females per 1000 males, is the state with highest female sex ratio. Prospects for population growth in India. India is an overpopulated country, mainly depends on the reproductive behaviors of the people. Family planning program started in 1952 in India. By end of this century, India will be the most populous country in the world. The reason is that large base population, the family planning programs aim to safe motherhood and safe childhood. Next section, demographic characteristics. First demographic character, sex composition of population. Sex ratio, number of females per 1000 males. Sex ratio in India, 1901, 972 female per 1000 males. 1991, 927 female per 1000 male. According to 2001 census, 933 female per 1000 male. Second, age structure. Demographic analysis of age structure. 0 to 1, 5 to 9, 10 to 14, etc. The factors determine age structure of population. The effect of fertility and mortality. The effect of migration on age structure. Effect of war and age structure. Age structure in India. First, 0 to 14 years, 29.7%. Second, 15 to 64 years, 64.9%. Third, 65 years and above, 5.4% according to 2011. Three, literacy ratio means percentage of educated people in India. According to 1901, males 9.83, female 5.53 percentage of educated. According to 1981, males 64.13 percentage, females 52.21 percentage. According to 2001, males 75.85 percentage, females 65.38 percentage. For marital status, 4 types of marital status. First, single, never married. Second, married. Third, widowed. Fourth, divorced. Each status has deep religious and legal as well as general social significance. Five, religion. Religious composition. Religious classification. In India, Hindu 82.71 percentage, Muslim 11.21 percentage, Christians 2.60 percentage, others 3.48 percentage. Look at this picture. Six, income. Income is the sum of all the wages, salaries, profits, interest, payments, rents, and other forms of earning received in a given period of time. Look at this pie chart. Distribution of income across different occupations. Laborers 31.6 percentage. Agriculture 14.8 percentage. Working abroad 9.3 percentage. Business 9.0 percentage. Salaried others 8.5 percentage. Shop owners 7.8 percentage. Salaried government 6.4 percentage. Remaining rivals 3.8 percentage, migrant labor 3.0 percentage, others 5.8 percentage. 7. Occupation. Occupation may refers to job, a regular activity performed for payment. Look at this pie chart. Student 26.58 percentage. Labor 22.44 percentage. Business 5.71 percentage. Salaried 6.52 percentage. Unemployed 13.27 percentage. Housewife 7.38 percentage. Agriculture allied 13.66 percentage. Remaining working abroad 1.56 percentage. pensioners 0.45 percentage, migrant labor 1.51 percentage, and others 0.91 percentage. 8. Family composition. Number of male, female, children, elders, adolescents, and their relationship in a family. 9. Race and caste. Total number of different types of races. Total number of different types of caste groups in defined population. 10. Language. First, Hindi is the first major language. Second, Bengali. Third, Telugu. Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, Malayalam belong to Dravidian family languages. Rest to the Aryan family languages. 11. Urban rural population. Urban and rural, different rate of birth rates, death rates, and rate of population growth. Demographic cycle. A population cycle theory has been postulated in terms of the socio-economic history of industrialized countries. Can you define demographic cycle? The demographic cycle or population cycle refers to the evolution over time of the population profile of a country, region, or other defined geographical area. Stages of demographic cycle. 5 stages of population change have been identified in the demographic cycle. Look at this. High stationary, early expanding, late expanding, low stationary, declining. Explanation going on. First, high stationary, first stage. High birth rate and high death rate. No any change in size and population. Second, early expanding, second stage. The death rate begins to decline, starts decreasing, and birth rate no change. Three, late expanding, third stage. The birth rate begins to decline while the death rate still decreases. Continue increase in population. 4. Low stationary, fourth stage. A low birth rate and low death rate. Stability in population. 5. Declining, fifth stage. birth rate is lower than the death rate, fall in population. Next section, theories of population. Classification of population theory. First, Malthus theory of population. 2. Neo-Malthus theory of population. 3. Optimum theory of population. Thomas Malthus. First, we are going to detail about Malthus theory of population. The theory pronounced by T.R. Malthus. Malthus, in his book on the principles of population, assumptions. First assumption, food is necessary to existence of man. Second, position between sex is necessary. Third, there is direct relation between standard of living and childbearing. Fourth, law of diminishing return, standard in agriculture. Look at this graph. X-axis represent time, Y-axis represent food production and population growth. Green in color, food production, red in color, population growth. This is a break-even point. The population is more than food production, which means overpopulation due to war and famine. Statement of this theory. The power of population is identified greater than the power in the earth to produce substance for man. Disequilibrium between population growth and food supply. Perfectly happy and mature community will double every 25 years. Thus, imbalance is created, which leads to overpopulation. Two types of checks. Preventive check or voluntary actions people can take to avoid contribute to the population. Positive check to population growth or things that may shorten the average lifespan, such as disease, warfare, famine, and poor living and working environments. Criticism of the Malthusian doctrine. The assumptions are not correct. Malthus notation on food supply based on static economic law. No direct relationship between the sex instinct and childbearing. History does not support the fear of Malthus. Positive check are not due overpopulation. Increase in population is the result of the decline in death rate. Malthus theory and its application in India. Food supply and population. National income, sex position, family planning program, standard of life and population. Second, we are going to deal with neo-Malthusianism or neo-Malthusian theories. Prominent neo-Malthusian thinkers are Margaret Stobbs from Britain and Margaret Stranger of America. Neo-Malthusian suggestions. First suggestion: woman would like escape the killing pain of birth. Second, many women have come to regard marriage and childbearing and rearing as hindrance to their freedom. Third, ladies would not like to have children because it will deform their body shapes and make them unattractive. Fourth, the growing individualistic and happiness seeking attitude. Fifth, the declining of faith in religion is opposite factor which reduce the importance of marriage and family life. What are the difference between Malthus and neo-Malthusian theory? First, Malthusian did not see any difference between desire for sex and desire for child. But neo-Malthusians felt that sex desire is natural, whereas desire to procreate is based on religious, social and cultural consideration. Second difference, the Malthus accepted that sex urge is natural, but he has advocated moral restraint and self-control. But neo-Malthusian believed that the urge of sex is natural, which should not be suppressed. Any attempt to check the sex desire will create mental agony to the people. Malthus believed that the tendency of population growth to outstrip food supply is natural phenomenon. But neo-Malthusian use of modern society, means and methods, it is possible to check population growth and increase food production in comparison to population. Fourth difference, Malthus not encourage the use of contraceptive, but neo-Malthus encourage the use of contraceptive. Criticism on neo-Malthus theory. Critics felt that the use of contraceptives will lead to degeneration of women and create physical, mental and moral suffering. Third, the optimum theory of population. The theory taken into consideration that the entire economic aspect related to population, economic conditions and there to lay down desirable norms regarding populations. Can you define optimum theory? The population at which the standard of life is maximum is called the optimum population. Next section, overpopulation. World population is currently going at rates 176 per minute. In India, every 2 seconds a baby is born. Rapid population growth is major facets of this era. It has relationship with poverty, malnutrition, illiteracy, and political instability are well known. Look at this bar chart. The prediction is that India become most populous country. Determination of population change. First, fertility. Second, mortality. Third, migration. What is meant by fertility? It is the natural capacity of giving life. As a measure, fertility rate is the number of children born per couple in population. Related measures, crude birth rate, the number of live birth in a given year per 1,000 people. General fertility rate, GFR, the number of birth in a year divided by the number of women age 15 to 44 per 1,000 people. Child woman ratio, CWR, the ratio of the number of children under 5 to the number of women 15 to 49 per 1,000 people. Mortality, in one word, death rate, means complete extinction of life in any living organism. Types of mortality. Fetal mortality 28 weeks. Infant death, neonatal death. Child death 1 to 4 years. Maternal death after delivery but within 3 months. Crude death rate. The crude death rate, the total number of death per year per 1,000 people. As July 2009, the crude death rate for the whole world is about 8.37 per 1,000. What is meant by migration? Migration is a form of geographical mobility or spatial mobility between one geographical unit to another geographical, involving a change in residence from the place of origin or the place of departure to the place of distinction or the place of arrival. Such migration is called permanent migration. Next section, population explosion in India and its impact on health. What is meant by population explosion? Population explosion means rapid population growth. Can you define population explosion? It has been defined as the geometric expansion of a biological population, especially the unchecked growth in human population, resulting from decrease in infant mortality and an increase in longevity. Look at this graph, population explosion. Look at this picture graph, population of Indian states matches that of large countries. Uttar Pradesh just like Brazil population, Maharashtra, Mexico, Bihar, Germany, West Bengal, Vietnam, Andhra Pradesh, Philippines, Madhya Pradesh, Thailand, Tamil Nadu, France, Rajasthan, Italy, Gujarat, South Africa, Orissa, Argentina, Kerala, Canada, Jharkhand, Uganda, Assam, Uzbekistan, Punjab, Peru, like this. Then Uttaranchal, Austria. Just imagine, Indian population is how much? Overpopulation scale. Look at this graph. World Bank, World Development Indicators. According to 1960, around 0.6 billion population. 2010, 1.2 billion population. Within 50 years, population has been doubled. Factors responsible for rapid population growth in India. First, social factors. Early age of marriage, male 21 years, female 18 years. Mass illiteracy, female literacy is very low, 54.16% according to 2001. Economic factors, occupational sectors, industrial sector. Second, demographic factors. A. Large base population, low death rate. B. Family planning program. In 1952, birth rate still high due to safe motherhood and safe childhood. Reason for the growth of population. First reason, decline in death rate due to control on infant mortality rate. Second, control of famine, food crisis, improve medicine and health facility. 3. Universality of marriage. 4. 50% of population depending on working population. 5. High infant mortality rate. also induce the parents to produce more children. Six, poverty or economic backwardness. 7, illiteracy. 8th reason, migration. 9, political instability. 10, urbanization, industrialization and mechanization. Evil effects and consequences of overpopulation. First, population growth and national income. Rapid growth of population in India imposes heavy strain on our economy. Second, changes in environment, pollution. A, soil pollution. B, air pollution. C, water pollution. D, noise pollution. Three, educational facilities. 4, food problems. 5, unemployment. 6, health care problems. 7th, law and order problems. 8th, problem of housing. 9, corruption. 10, climate change. 11, global warming. Impact on health status. Affect. Population growth affect physical health, mental health and social well-being of people. It has been induced diseases, communicable diseases as well as non-communicable diseases. Disorders. The overpopulation cause following disorders: deviancies, urbanization, induced psychosis, depression, sociopath, substance abuse, alcoholism, crime, delinquency, vandalism, damage, family disintegration and alienation. Next section, population control. Detail going on. Can you define population control? The human population control is the practice of artificially altering the rate of growth of human population. Need for population control. First, changing economic and social cultural pattern. Next, to maintain quality of life criteria, to raise the standard of living, adequate shelter, education, medical care. To control the antisocial behavior, to reduce social problems, to prevent overcrowding, to small and healthier family, measures of population control in India. Look at this flow chart. Measures of population control. There are three measures: social measures, economic measures, and other measures. Detail going on. A social measures. First, minimum age of marriage. Second, raising the status of women. 3, spread of education. 4, adaptation. 5, change in social outlook. 6, social security. 7, religious leaders has to advise small family norms. B, economic measures. Detail going on. First, more employment opportunities. Second, development of agriculture and industry. Third, standard of living. 4, urbanization and industrialization. 5, rise in per capita income. C, other measures. Detail. First, late marriage. Second, self control. Third, family planning. Fourth, recreational facilities. Fifth, publicity. Sixth, incentives to control population. Seventh, employment to women. Eighth, family planning facilities. Ninth, lowering infant mortality rate. 10, urbanization and industrialization should be balanced. 11th, family welfare program and family planning. 12th, mass media has to be used. 13, legitimate enactment in parliament. 14th, use contraceptives and birth control devices. Look at this picture. Intrauterine device. Oral contraceptives, condom, the modern method is subdermal implant. Other methods: vaginal ring, female condoms, oral contraceptives, intrauterine devices, etc. Role of nurse to control population. First, health education. Next, counseling and guidance. Administration of birth control devices. Administration of contraceptives. Organize awareness programs. Encourage community and people participation. Next section, family welfare program in India. Can you define family welfare? The program develops the well-being of individuals, child, women, elders in family through welfare measures. India launched the National Family Planning Program in 1951. Goals of Family Welfare Program. First, to reduce infant mortality rate, IMR. Second, control maternal mortality rate, MMR. Third, minimize total fertility rate, TFR. Five-year plans and family welfare program. Each 5-year plan has been taken considerable efforts to family welfare. The objective of fifth plan was to bring down the birth rate to 30 per thousand. By increasing the integration of family planning services with those of health, maternal and child health, MCH, and nutrition. New policy in 1977, the name of the program was changed from family planning to family welfare. Functions of Department of Family Welfare. First, to facilitate antenatal and natal services to pregnant women. Second, to implementation of postpartum program. Third, to provision of family planning services, basket of contraceptives, female male sterilization, counseling, etc. Fourth function, implementation of UIP, Universal Immunization Program. 5. Surveillance of BPD, vaccine, preventable diseases, services. 6. Implementation of Pulse Polio Program. 7. Implementation of PNDT, pre-consumption and prenatal Diagnostic Techniques Act 1994. Prevention of sex selection and MTP, Medical Termination of Pregnancy Act. Eighth function, to coordination and execution of activities through mass education, media. 9. Procurement of specific vaccines. 10. To monitor performance and quality of family welfare activities by NGOs and release of grant in aid to them. 11. To facilitate provision of adolescent health services. 12th function, capacity building to update knowledge, skills of various categories of health functionaries by providing training by the training centers. Next, we are going to detail about family planning. Can you define family planning? The practice of controlling the number of children one has and the intervals between their birth, particularly by means of contraception or voluntary sterilization. Family planning always individuals and couples to anticipate and attain their desired number of children and the spacing and timing of their birth. It is achieved through use of contraceptive methods and the treatment of involuntary infertility. A woman's ability to space and limit her pregnancies has a direct impact on her health and well-being as well as on the outcome of each pregnancy. Scope of family planning program. First, proper spacing and limiting of birth. Second, advice on sterility. Third, education of parenthood. 4, sex education. 5, screening of pathological condition. 6, genetic counseling. 7, premarital counseling and examination. 8, carrying out pregnancy test. 9, marriage counseling. 10, teaching home economics and nutrition. 11th, providing adaptation services. Aspect of family planning. A woman health including maternal mortality, morbidity of women of childbearing age, nutritional status and fetal mortality. B. Infant and child health including child mortality, child growth development and nutrition, infectious diseases, intelligence, studies, lower IQ. The welfare concept. A small family norms. B. Eligible couples. Reproductive age 15 to 45 years. C. Target couple who have had 2 to 3 children, living children. D. Couple protection rate. Percentage of eligible couple effectively protected against childbirth. What are the role of nurse in family planning? A. Explain all available methods. B. Discuss effectiveness, benefits and drawbacks of each method. C. Discuss how the user feel about contraception. D. Have user explain chosen method. Say back. E. Clarify any misunderstanding. F. Work with woman, her partner, provider of care. G. Reinforcement of education. H. Concerns about birth control methods. I. Build trust, acknowledge cultural and religious factors. J. Address lifestyle. Next section, social epidemiology. Terminology: epidemiology. Epi among, demos people, logos scientific study. Meaning of epidemiology. Epidemiology is the study the disease in defined population. Can you define epidemiology? It is a study of distribution and determinants of health related status or events including disease, and the application of this study to the control of diseases and other health problems in defined population. Aim of social epidemiology: first, to decrease the distribution, size of disease problems in human population. Second, to identify etiological factors in origin of disease. Third, provide the data essential to the healthcare planning and implementation. Objectives of social epidemiology. First objective, to study of frequency of diseases. Second, study of distribution of diseases. Third, study of determination of diseases. Epidemiological measures. First, incidence refers to the number of new cases. 2. Prevalence, total number of cases. 3. Morbidity, diseases. What is meant by morbidity? The proposition of sickness or a specific disease in a geographical locality. Morbidity rate. A morbidity rate looks at the incidence of disease across a population or geographic location during a single year. Next section, importance of population study in nursing. The knowledge of population is need to nursing. First, nursing assessment. Nurse has been assessed demographic data. Nursing diagnosis. This data help to accurate diagnosis and find needs of the client. Care, client oriented care. Cure, client oriented treatment or medicine. Prevention, prevent communicable, non-communicable diseases. And promotion, promote holistic health, physical health, mental health and social well-being. Six, nursing management. The population study is essential to management of nursing services in clinical level as well as community level. The nursing education, the population study is fundamental need. Health education, the population is need to client oriented education. Counseling and guidance, the nursing research, every aspect of nursing research, the population data is fundamental. It has been applied to every specialties in nursing, including maternal health nursing, child health nursing, medical surgical nursing, mental health nursing, and community health nursing. Next section, conclusion. Hence, concepts such as population, demography, demographic characters, overpopulation has been affect or influence health status of people. It has been used as a social medicine to prevention of diseases, to promotion of health. Then it has been applied to every aspect of nursing, including care, cure, prevention, promotion, and rehabilitation. This knowledge used to solve social problems, including unemployment, illiteracy, mainly used to solve healthcare problems. For sustainable peace and development. Review questions. Define following: population, demography, sex ratio, density of population, family size, optimum theory, population explosion, social epidemiology. List the following: 3 uses of study of population, 2 relationship between society and population, 4 demographic characteristic, 3 factors responsible for rapid population growth in India, 3 importance of population study in nursing, 3 evil effects and consequences of overpopulation, 2 needs of population control, 2 methods of population control, 3 goals of family welfare program, 2 aim of social epidemiology, theories of population, 3 determinants of population change. Difference between following: Malthus and neo-Malthusian theory of population, society and population. Short notes on uses of study of population, population distribution in India, world population trend, demographic characteristic, demographic cycle, population control measures, theories of population, overpopulation, population explosion in India and its impact on health, family welfare program in India, social epidemiology, essay on define population, discuss population explosion in India, its impact on health and explain population control measures. Thank you. Have a nice day.